Hello everyone, let's discuss user experience on technical SEO or impact of user experience on technical SEO. So SEO friendly UX make your site run like clockwork. What is user experience in SEO? Let's have a look on it. User experience is the foundation of site usability, and it's an aspect of on-page SEO that many people overlook. If your site lacks the positive user experience and ease of use that end user require to navigate your site, you will push visitors to your attentions, your competitors. So, what is user experience and how designs matter to SEO? How does SEO affects user experience? Is the second question. Usability, how easy to product is to use, which positively impacts UX. Strong SEO particles often yield high usability and good UX. Site speed, our website's average loading time, ideally this should be within 3 seconds for both SEO and UX. So, what is involved in technical SEO and how SEO improve user experience? 5 ways SEO can improve user experience. Number one is focus on creating quality content. You would likely created a consistent stream of content of your website. And the second thing is SEO improves website navigation. Third thing is that the credibility of internet and external links improve website loading times. Number 5, gathering customers reviews. And number 6 is search engine optimization services. So this is the ways you can improve your user experience for the technical SEO. The next question is what is involved in technical SEO? What is technical SEO? Technical SEO is process of ensuring that a website meets the technical requirements of modern search engines with the goal of improved organic ranking improvement. Important elements of technical SEO include crawling, indexing, rendering, and website architecture. And next thing we discuss about it, what are the technical SEO ranking factors and what are 3 pillars of technical SEO? A secure and accessible website, page speed and including mobile page speed, mobile friendliness, domain age URL and authority, optimized content, technical SEO, user experience, bank, rat, brain, links. These are the important SEO ranking factors. What are the 3 pillars of technical SEO? The 3 pillars of technical SEO is authority, relevance, and the experience. How can you improve my technical SEO skills? Number 1, create a sitemap to help search engines, create navigational elements for users, hide low ranking pages, use tags properly, and utilize structured data, account for smart devices, know how to use URLs, use HTTPS. And this is all about user experience on technical